So let's turn this cube into a rock. Add a subdivision surface modifier with a value of 4 or 5, then add in another modifier, this time displaced, and click new texture. Jump to the texture tab and change that type to a Voronoi texture. Hey, that's kind of cool. Then you'll want to increase the scale a little bit. I found 1.2 to look nice, and take the intensity down a little. And then take the modifier strength down a little bit and shade smooth. Then if you click the little edit mode button thingy, you can make all kinds of cool rock shapes in edit mode. For the material, enable the node Wrangler add-on in the preferences, then just Ctrl-Shift-T and open up this whole PBR material at once. Link in the description, of course. And look at that, we got like a super nice looking rock already. Now you can add a geometry node and a color ramp, connect the pointiness value up, and crank those values up a little tighter. Now we just need a mix RGB node and a hue saturation node, connect the color up and crank the value up to 4, put it in the bottom socket. With the color ramp as a factor, you can add in a math node, change it to multiply, and choose a value of something like 8 to boost the effect even more. Then add an object info node, connect the random to a colorful color ramp, and mix the color in using a mix overlay. This will give you a randomizing rock material. Duplicate as many of these rocks as you want. Feel free to leave a like on the video if you thought it rocked.